background processes is 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC. 2. End all of these. Riot Client, leagueclient.exe, Riot Client services.exe, any Riot-related task. 3. Restart your PC. Then try again. 2. Run as administrator. Right-click Riot Client. Click Run as administrator. If it works, permanent fix. Right-click Riot Client, Properties, Compatibility, check. Run this program as administrator. Repair the game. 1. Open Riot Client. 2. Click your profile icon, top right. 3. Settings, League of Legends. 4. Click Repair, let it finish. Don't interrupt it. 4. Disable overlays, very common cause. Turn off Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce overlay, MSI Afterburner, Overwolf any screen recorder. Then try launching again. Overlays break LOL more than enemies do. Number 5. Delete config folder. Fix corrupted settings. Go to. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete the config folder. Don't worry, it recreates automatically. 6. Allow through firewall/antivirus. Sometimes Windows blocks it silently. Open Windows security. Firewall. Allow an app. Make sure League of Legends and Riot Client are allowed. If using third-party antivirus, temporarily disable and test. Number 7. Update graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers equals launch crash. NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD, Adrenalin software, Intel, driver assistant update, restart. Try again. Number 8. Reinstall Riot Client, last resort. If nothing works, 1. Uninstall League of Legends. 2. Uninstall Riot Client. 3. Delete. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Restart PC. 5. Fresh install from official site. Extra tip, if it closes instantly, try this. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Run leagueoflegends.exe directly. If it works, launch your problem. If it crashes, game client corruption.